How to add or remove debit or credit card on Temu. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch your Temu application from your device and get logged into your Temu account. Now, in order to add or remove a card, tap onto Use section from your bottom bar. And here tap onto Settings on your right-hand side. Now at this page, you will see your payment methods. Tap Open it. And at this page, tap on Add a credit or debit card. Here add your card number, your card's expiration date, your CVV, and tap on Add your card. Once done, now you have successfully added your credit or debit card onto your Temu account. In order to remove it, tap on the edit icon. And here you will see Edit your card. Tap onto it. Here tap on Yes, remove the card option. And that way, your card will be successfully removed from your Temu account. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below. We will catch you up soon.